Mana ke yazi yabo njengamanje ngizama ukunderstanda lesi statement sakho nalento esho ulobhudi la ishoyo yabo ngizama ukusunderstand ukuthi yabo njengoba ngizosifunda njengoba sinjalo into eyenza uRamaphosa abe negazi elibi kuthina amaZulu isikakhulukazi ukuzama ukuvala ompompi benkohlakalo nokukhwabanisa nje bese ngiyakubuza ukuthi uphi u9.1 billion owawu umelwe ukuthi kuzolungiswa ngawo i-just energy transition because iSouth Africa we were told ukuthi kufanele migrate from traditional energy sources ibuye izongena kwi-clean energy source. Ngikubuza wona ngibuye ngizokubuza ngenkohlakalo ka500 billion we-COVID kukwena lokho angazi noma ukuzuma ndo kwakuzuma lo wena ozoyi-answerishela owenza ukuthi kuntshontshwe lezi zinto zelento kuntshontshwe lapha kwi-COVID uzoyishola wena nge-COVID ngicabanga ukuthi umhlanganyelwa wayekhona kwathi waqa emva kalokho ngo2021 boom bamthatha bamfaka ejele. Esathu uyena watholakala hambe nemali esingayazi ukuthi eyani ngaphansi kamatrasi uyena yini owatholakala nalo mali njengoba nithi nje uvala umpompi lo uRamaphosa uvala kuphi umpompi ebe naye vele intshontshela ngendlela yakhe because phela kumanje uluze i-team yebhola yakhe uMamkhize because of evading of tax. You understand? Yabona bafowethu kufanele ni understand lento ayikho into ebukhuni njengokucharger a sitting president who presides over everything. Kubukhuni ukucharger lo muntu and ucabanga ukuthi uzoba victorious. Balindo president bathi baphume emandleni ebese kuyima umcharge. Angithi you understand? Which is why uyabukwa nje njengamanje. Uyabukwa nje njengamanje and ngineshow ukuthi ufuna ukwenza show ukuthi naye azama ukufaka umuntu ozokwenza show ukuthi akambophi after that because there's a lot alenzile uRamaphosa. Only ingane encane engakazi lutho engabuza umbuzo ofana nalo. Mina I'm disappointed in you guys. Because lento niyenza iperpetuate lento eshiwo emedia ukuthi thina siyilentoza si tribal party. Asiyona tribal party. But we are drawing ama parallels because kukhona imithetho ayiphulile uRamaphosa just like uZuma kungaba khona imithetho ayiphulile. Uyabo oqale ngo-admit okaZuma awuphulayo futhi ongaphulanga uyena waphula uminister wakhe ukuthi am-approvele nepool ukuthi ibe lapha kulowa muzi wakhe wasenkandla of which lokho siyak-admita kwathiwa akayikhokhe futhi lowo mali ngango-7 million back wayikhokha umhlanganyelo. Uyabo but lo 200 and whatever million okwako ukulungisa no-upgrade security endle yakhe it wasn't wrong, it was correct because neka Mandela back in the days yalungiswa ngo-25 million of which ngama-terms amanje mhlambe izolingana exactly nale uZuma alungiselwa ngayo. Nikhohlwa yilokho nenibona 25 million ezivinto encane kanti u25 million ngaleso sikhathi wakuyifortune njengolo 250 something njengamanje. Uyabo? So iyangixaka lento yeni yazi bafethu kusakude phambili la kunini. Ngampela serious book. Kude phambili. Kukude phambili awendlela analyze ngayo izinto anginazi. Yabo and kwesinye isikhathi nithathe inzondo yomuntu nithathe niyoyilentuza kube yiyona niyisebenzisa phambili ebese niyisebenzisa as though ama facts are political of which it's just nothing but into engayazi. Ayenzani kahle bafethu enzani kahle nje ni admit la kukhona izinto ezi wrong nikwazi futhi ukuthi nibuye nikwazi ukudraw ama parallels kungabi ukuthi each and every time nisesayidini elilodwa just because nizonda lo muntu akwaba nebhadi umhlanganyelo wabakwethu yabo wavele waqhamuka nje wazozondwa abantu nangakho mina ngikaze ngibenefite even one corruption from uZuma but at least into engingayisho ukuthi ngo-government wakhe there's a lot engikubenefitile ngingekho politically connected ngesikhathi sakhe ngingazi umuntu political wise ngangekho active ngalento zilutho and njengoba nikhuluma nilonithi nina hayi ingoba kufanele then bazokupraise because usuku ungabe iphazamisa inkohlakalo yakho naku mina ngikhohlakele ngalutho kodwa nakho ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngibuke between izinto eziwu2 ngikwazi ukuthi lezo zinto ngibone ukuthi hayi nansi eyayilungile rather than le futhi nakhona angisho ukuthi nansi elungile ngoba nakho ewumzulu Zulu ngithi ilungile because nginama factor phambi kwami lezi zinto engitshena zona ungahamba ufike uyibheke kwi-internet uzoyithola kodwa ngeke uzuyibheke uzuyithole lento ukuthi ucorrupt kuphi uZuma aboshwanga ngani ngelentoza nge-state capture lesi esingasazi ngicabanga ukuthi siya ku-5,000 pages i-report yakhona kodwa still ama-hearsay wodwa there's nothing admissible evidence or even tangible for that matter ezokwazi ukuphatheka ukuthi naku wantshontsha usibanibani and naku kwakwamagroup ayi-appoint abantu hayi bafethu enzani kahle serious